Today we will scratch build the Indian style train station passenger shed right now. Hello and welcome to your channel HO Train Universe and Dioramas. I am Ashim and you are watching my model railroad. Friends, today's episode is regarding the scratch building of Indian style platform shades for the passenger. And yes, this is basically the third and the last episode of this series of scratch building station sector. If you still not watched my previous two episodes, just click on the I button and you will get the video about scratch building the platform section. And after then, again if you want to watch my second episode, again click on the I button and you will get the second episode regarding scratch building the station building, Indian style station building. And today's episode is the last episode of this series regarding the sheds or the passenger sheds of the platform. Also, it will be Indian style platform sheds. Friends, it's not very tough. If you watch carefully the entire video, you will understand that how easy it is. And friends, if you were interested about scratch building Indian style model railroad, just stay tuned and watch the entire video. Don't skip a single portion of this video because a single portion of this video is very crucial. So friends, let's go towards our workstation, and before that, if you are first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon on, and also that will be very useful for me and you too, because when I will upload another new video, you will get the fastest notification. और दोस्तों, आप मेरे चैनल को अगर देखना पसंद करते हो, मेरे से जुड़े रहना पसंद करते हो, तो इस वीडियो में एक लाइक ज़रूर दे देना और उसके साथ साथ कमेंट भी करना वीडियो देखने के बाद कि वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा। तो दोस्तों चलिए हम सब अपने वर्किंग स्टेशन की तरफ चलते हैं। So friends, let's go towards our workstation.
Okay friends, as I spoke before that in my previous episode, we have built this platform area and then we scratch build this station building, and today we are going to scratch build the station shade for the passengers, and it will be in Indian style. And for that we again will follow this picture, this photo. Just see this passenger shade. This is the typical Indian style passenger shade we see at each and every station in India. And we have to measure the height, the wideness and the breadth of the entire subject. And if you watched my previous episodes, you saw that how I made the height of the station building calculate in the reference of this human. Still, if you not, just click on the I button and you will get that video that how I measure the station building. Like that way I will measure the height of this platform shade, and I will calculate the wideness. Actually the breadth of this shade should be same as the platform. It is 2.6 inch in wideness, and then we will calculate the height. Okay, so let's start our measurement and cutting of the templates first. And as you can see that I have already draw the picture or the shape of the template, and I am cutting it because I need this template for each and every step of the shed making project. So let me cut it out first, and you can see this is the height, overall height and breadth of this template or the basic structure of the shed. And now if you watch it on the platform, this is a OO gauge passenger coach, and the height is exact what I want. From here you can see the height, the clearance of, actually I am using OO gauge because OO gauge coaches or locos are little bit higher side than the HO, so I need the clearance of OO first, and I hope that HO gauge, loco and all the things will do it perfectly. So this is the perfect height and the breadth. Now I will go for my next step. I will cut the upper side of the template, and according to that I will cut the sides. And now you can see that already I have cutted the sides, and now I am fixing the section of the shade. just with super glue I will fix this all, and I will create the shape of the passenger shed. Let's do it. And as you can see that the top section of the shed is more or less ready. The basic structure I have done it with the serial pack cardboards. It is sturdy and easy to cut. And now it is time for the sides. So then in the same way I will use this super glue and the cardboard slices for the sides. It is basically the basic structure of the shed. I will add all the details on it after finishing the basic structure, friends. So let me fix the side first, and it is not very tough, you know that. Just with help of super glue and little bit patience you can easily fix this all. Just I have to fix these things here like this. And now you can see that both my two shades are ready. And I have done another thing. I have already colored the back side with silver color spray paint, because it will resemble the metallic structures in the inner side of the shed. And now it is time for the corrugated structure. And for corrugated structure you need HO scale corrugated sheet. For that I have already made a tutorial. If you want to watch that, you can just click on the I button and you will get that video. But friends, that video tutorial is regarding small corrugated metal sheets. But when you are doing something big job, you need something extra. So I am using this container, foil pack container. Just I have to cut the sides. Watch carefully that how I am making big corrugated sheet with this. This is the foil pack. I am cutting the sides because I don't need these sides. I need the base plate, so I am cutting the side first. And after cutting it, I have to make smooth the surface of the sheet. So the foil sheet, with the little gentle press of a finger, you can just easily smooth the surface. And after smoothing, what you need, okay, let me do it first. Okay, now what you need a pen and a scale, and just with the scale and the pen you need to make some vertical gentle scratches, parallel vertical gentle scratches throughout the entire sheet, and that will create a perfect corrugated sheet. Just watch carefully that how I am doing this. With a perfect measurement, just scratch on the the foil sheet, and you will get a perfect HO scale corrugated sheet. Just watch. But this side is not my working side. This side I have scratched, and I will work with the opposite side of the sheet. This side will resemble perfect HO scale corrugated sheet. So now I will cut this corrugated sheet according to the size of my shed, and I will fix it with the help of super glue. And watch carefully that how I am fixing this thing on the shed. And now I will fix the slice of the sheet on the top. Just I am fixing the opposite side. This is the scratch side, and I am using this side as a corrugated sheet. Just with the help of super glue I will fix it here. Just watch it now. and now you can see that my shade is overall ready. And now after finishing the corrugated project, now I will color the entire shade, because the foil pack is very glossy, so I will use matte metallic spray color for coloring the entire surface. And then I will spray sidewise a little bit rust brown. I want a rust brown tinge throughout the top surface of the shade. Let's do it. Now let's wait to cure it properly. Okay, as you can see that I have finished the coloring of the shades. My both shades are ready now, and after finishing the shades, it is now time for the supporting pillars, the supporting bars. Now I am going to make, and for this I am now will take the help of this photo. You can see the pillar. This is the metallic pillars Indian Railway use, and for that I am using this height. This is more or less 5.5 centimeter. So I will use this 5.5 centimeter height, and I will use again the serial pack boards, cardboards to make it. Okay, let's start with the serial board. So this is the cardboard piece, and I have measured the thickness or the breadth of the pillar, and these two sides I will scratch it with the help of the craft knife and the scale. Just I will little bit scratch it. Let me scratch it. I will not cut it completely, just I will create some deep impression so that I can easily able to fold these sides. So let me do that. You can see I am just scratching this side. I am creating some deep impressions so that I can easily fold these sides. And let me do this, and then I will come here. Okay friends, you can see that all these sides are ready. I have scratched and folded it, and with these small tiny pieces now I will fix these areas like this with the help of super glue. So let me fix these things, then I will show you the result. And you can see that I have finished all the pillars. These are the pillars, and now it is time for the color. I am going to color it with the metallic color. So let's color it perfectly. And you can see that I have finished the color of this pillar. Now it's looking like some metal pillars, and with the help of these pillars now I will fix the shade with the super glue. And for that I need the shade first. And this is the shade, and what I will do, I will just fix these things like this with the help of super glue, not this like way, this way. This is the process, or this is the way in which I will fix all the pillars in this position like this. So let me fix these things, and then I will show you the result. And this is the result. I have fixed all the pillars. For the shades now the pillars are ready, fixed, and now it is a time for the name. Let me show you. If you see carefully, little bit hazy. Okay, if you see the station names is here, so I will fix the name here, but unfortunately my decal papers are out of stock, so I am using this sheet of thin sticker paper. Already I have printed the name, and now I will fix this name like this. Okay, I will peel out the cover of the sticker, and then gently I will fix this name of the station here. The name of the station is Mahuaganj. Yes, you can see that carefully I am fixing this thing here. As my decal papers are out of stock, so I am using this thin sticker because it's working perfectly. So let me fix it all. Okay friends, you can see now the groups. This is for the platform pillars. I am not going to fix at all permanently, because when I will clean the platform I will remove the shade. So I am doing this. Now watch carefully what I am doing. It's almost done friends, now have a look.
How was today's journey friends? I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please give me a like and also share this video among the model railroad hobbyists. And obviously comment on the comment section regarding anything you want to see and also regarding anything you want to know about Indian or international model railroad diorama. And friends, I am getting lots and lots of messages from you about many types of scratch building tutorials, and also I will show you all those scratch building tutorials step by step, episode by episode. But before that, I think it is enough for today. Very soon I am coming with another new video, another new interesting episode. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.